My thing is, talking about you got the G3, we really got switches, fully automatic. Why you gonna let it can't do it?
Fully automatic, and you know, now we been the block. Suckers always speaking, ain't nobody when he setting shots. Everything on call, we don't have it. Pro, you feel me? Yes.
Hey, what's up, chorizos? Hopefully everybody's having a good day. Yo aquí el pinche día me está haciendo chingón early in the morning. But today's video is sponsored by Uxulux, where they have a wide selection of tail lights and fog lights for Chevy, Ford, Dodge, Honda, and Jeeps. Just click on the link below in the description and it'll take you straight to it. Okay, guys, let's install some tail lights on my 2015 Silverado. A ver cómo salen. I mean, they look good, so I'm finna get in my dirty clothes because, you know, I ain't trying to get out dirty, you know what I mean? But anyways, and yes, I'm dirty, okay? Because, you know, your boy is always working. But anyways, finna show you guys these tail lights right quick. I think they're pretty dope. They're just a little dirty because I've been handling them, you know what I mean? But anyways, so practically these plugs right here, this one just plugs up to your brake light. This one is gonna plug up to your reverse light. So I mean, nice and simple, you know, plug and play. But I like them because they are really shiny. Because, you know, I like shiny stuff. Sometimes I like it dark. All right. Están negros. They have the X to X out the haters. X out the haters. But anyways, yes, they're very nice and they're very beautiful. So, I like them. You know, we finna install them. A ver cómo salen. Están manchaditos because, like, you know, my dirty fingers. Dirty fingers. But, yeah, we finna install them, see how they look, kid. We finna roll out, kid. And we're back. Anyways, we finna take these off right quick. Let me rip it off. It's not trying to come off. Right, so we finna pull them off again. Vamos a ver. Así lo podemos quitar. Anyways, I actually did them a lot sooner. That way, you know, this video won't be that long. So, anyways, you know, out with the old. I actually bought these. These are new. I already cracked them right there. I was trying to yank it off. But anyways, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna slap the new ones on. What I really like about this company too is that they actually wrap them up real nice. And let's not say about the box. Usually has, you know, sponge all over it and stuff like that. You know, to protect it from scratching. Anyways, all right. So I like leaving the wrap off, even though I already took the other one off. But all right, we can install them right quick. And it just clips in. And we're gonna do the same thing with the reverse light. Where is the reverse light? Right here. Just plug it in. Boop. That's it. So basically, you're not gonna be able to put your bolt back in here. You just put it in here. That way, it seals it. So we're gonna do that. Right. Sending shots up in his stomach. I've been a bitch and I put that on my mother. Speak up on the gang, he said I'm my desmadre. Started from the bottom, now I'm heading to the top. Put me on your song and watch the way I make it pop. Put me on a list, go tell the fucking blogs. Once I make it out, you know I'm never gonna stop. Tell me a little break and you still. Alright, let's see cómo se miran qué. I like that. Push this over here. Voy a prender la pinche troca, no se van a asustar, cabrones, Like that, like that. All right, first things first. The thing that I love is basically what it's doing, it's loading. So it's telling you that the truck is on. All right, so quítese a la verga, ¿eh? Porque si no se quitan, me los lleva todo, ¿eh? Me los lleva a todos. Se me sale la pinche baba, ¿eh? But yeah, I really like them. And honestly, we're gonna go take some shots. You know, my truck is dirty. But anyways, other than that, let's go take some shots and shit like that. I still gotta put the other one on, so I'll see you chorizos there, homies. Vemos.
Que ando bien loco quemando a la María. Siempre bien prendido y aquí es de todo el día. Cuando me siento solo le doy beso a la Cristina. Dios ábreme tus puertas que siento que ya ando solo. La ansiedad sobre mi almohada y las sombras que a mí me abrazan. Amigos que se fueron terminaron en prisión. Ya pasan de las 12, me prendo un Marlboro. La Glock está cargada y la placa toca mi espalda. Me pide que me quede y que más mugrero me meta. Me dicen que estoy mal ya de la cabeza. Myself, don't be asking for no promo when y'all let me on the show. Get me dick right in the amigo, always worry about my life. Worry about your life and make sure your kid's straight on the gang.